In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy sections from one notebook to another notebook in OneNote. This is an essential skill if you're organizing your notes, managing multiple projects, or collaborating with others across different notebooks. Let's go through the process step by step so you can quickly transfer content while keeping everything neat and structured. Start by opening Microsoft OneNote and navigating to the notebook that contains the section you want to move or copy. Make sure the notebook has fully loaded, so all pages and sections are visible. This helps prevent errors or missing content during the transfer. Once your notebook is open, locate the section tab you want to move or copy. Right-click on the Section tab, and you'll see a context menu with several options. If your goal is to move the section entirely to another notebook, select the Move or Copy option. This opens a dialog box that lists all the notebooks currently available in OneNote, your OneNote application. In this dialog box, choose the notebook you want to move or copy the section to. If you're moving it, the section will be removed from the original notebook and placed into the new one. If you're copying it, a duplicate section will be created in the target notebook, while the original stays intact. This is a handy way to keep a master version in one notebook while sharing a copy with a team or for a specific project. After selecting the destination notebook, you can also choose the exact position within the notebook where the section should appear. OneNote lets you organize sections in any order, so make sure it lands exactly where you want it for easier navigation. Once you've made your selections, click Move or Copy. OneNote will process the request, and within moments the section will appear in your chosen notebook. If you move it, check the original notebook to confirm it's gone. If you copied it, open the destination notebook to verify the duplicate section is in place and all pages and content have transferred correctly. And that's all there is to it. By using this simple method, you can efficiently move or copy sections between notebooks, helping you stay organized and making collaboration much smoother. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.